As you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Pretty much going through the setup process of the application. This is a streaming app that allows you to stream multiple applications, or let's say streaming websites. You have Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hulu Max, Apple TV, a whole bunch of them. So you can either select whichever streaming site you would like to use. Let's say you want to watch Crunchyroll, you want to watch Tubi TV, all of them are pretty much there. And if you do see an ads, just wait until ads is finished. Then you tap on the forward icon here at the top, then the X, you're pretty much good to go. So once you have pretty much selected the streaming apps or streaming platforms that you like to use, just tap on the finish option down here. Then you will see an ads, just go ahead and tap on the forward icon. So as you can see here, you'll be able to see pretty much the latest movies that are pretty much out right now. And if you do tap on any one of these movies, you can pretty much see information, you can see the trailers and so forth. Nothing much, you won't be able to watch the movie or anything like that. This application.
What kind of cat is that? And are they a handful? Get the Google app to find out. Use Lens to learn what breed it is. And then ask a question about it to understand what kind of care it may need.
You can use this application here to find new movies as well. So at the top here, it does show you, let's say for example, Netflix here. If you do tap on Netflix, you can pretty much see movies that are on Netflix. And if you do want to check out if a movie is on Netflix, you can pretty much use this application here. And as you can see, you can pretty much scroll and see what type of movies that you may be interested in. And as well, you can tap on the popular option down here, which also shows you popular movies and so forth. So these are not movies that you can watch right now. So these are just some old movies, as you can see here. And you can tap on the filter option here to pretty much adjust the time, 2026. You want to see 2026 movies, you can see.
What kind of cat is that? And are they a handful? Get the Google app to find out.
Here. So
Use Lens to learn what breed it is.
While using the application, all you have to do is just pretty much wait until it's finished, tap on the X or the forward icon, then you tap on the X. As you can see here, these are some of the new 2026 movies. As you can see, you can just tap on the icon here at the top. Once you have done that, then you go ahead and adjust the release here. And it was at 2025, so pretty much put it at the 2026. Now, so you can adjust the rating and move it this here. Let's say you want a movie over 6.5, you can adjust it to that. And as well, you can adjust the genres, like action, comedy, whatever you may be interested in. You can tap on the action button here, then tap on the done. Yeah, you're pretty much good to go. As you can see here, you can go ahead.
What kind of cat is that? And are
pretty much look for the top 2026 movies and easily find them. Whether it's on Netflix, you can check if it's on Netflix, and check it on if it's on Amazon Prime or Prime Video. Yeah, you can pretty much easily find it using this application. So do tap on Disney Plus, you're gonna see some different movies. So these are movies that are on the platform, so do keep that in mind. You can as well tap on the add icon here. If you do want to add the all of them or select all option, you can go ahead and do that. You can pretty much see a lot of movies. So that's really pretty much it for the application. As well, you do have the pick option. I forgot to mention, based on your mood, will pick a movie for you. So let's say you want a series and you want a family movie, you can tap on the generate quick pick down here. Once you have done that, it will give you the best.
what kind of cat is that? And are
And it's can see your Powerpuff Girls. Well, I wouldn't watch that, but you get what I'm saying. So it's family. We'll find family movies for you to watch. So this application does have a lot of ads, so do keep that in mind. As well, you can go in the settings option at the top, and yeah, nothing much. You can either change the language if you want, but that's really pretty much it. You can't really remove the ads or anything, just that option. So if I missed anything at all in this video, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.